Welcome to our continuing and rolling coverage of the big breaking story coming out of, we have with us a packed house. We've got Aarti Jairath, senior journalist is with us. PKD Nambiar, political analyst, supports the BJP, is with us. We also have Juhi Singh, Samajwadi Party. Is that, what do you think, PKD Nambiar? What is that? Do you think it was quota politics that led to the axe falling on these two big ministers of yours?
See, Aarti ji is a very, very senior journalist. So I think countering her in few places, I do not really want it to. But I think those who understand BJP, those who really look at BJP, will understand that a ministerial politician is not the end of the world for a good politician. There are many other occasions within the party to perform many more roles.
No, PKD Nambiar, all that may be fine. I'm just making a simple point. Government goes on saying we've done nothing wrong, handle the pandemic just fine. You know, IT Act, getting into multiple fights, no problem, full weight behind. Now they're sacked. Clearly, okay, at a starting point, can we conclude that at least the government is accepting through this that there were mistakes made?
So for an individual changing his position from one place to another place, does that mean that he performed bad in one particular place? Who knows that Ravi Shankar Prasad or Prakash Javadekar tomorrow get a better position in the party?
Like how?
And
like role. What?
It could be anything. It could be any other position in the party. Why not? So
will you or will you not agree, Mr. Nambiar, that the decision has been taken on the basis of merit? It was a massive and mammoth exercise in which each and every minister and ministry were called in a corporate-like setup. They were asked to present PowerPoint presentations, which the Prime Minister saw. There was cross-questioning, all sorts of things happened. And then this decision has been taken.
Sanket, the Prime Minister Modi, as we all know, that in the entire world knows that he works predominantly like a corporate, like that wherein performance does matter to him. He is a master.
Yeah, so that's exactly my point. Then which part of Ravi Shankar Prasad and Mr. Javadekkar's performance did he not like? And in which ministry? For instance, if I were to broad base this a little, Mr. Verma, you tell me who will take on Twitter? Which IT minister now would want to pick up a fight with a huge giant? You know, a large portion of what was being said. One moment. A large portion of what was being said by the Indian government that there has to be a rule of law in this country was correct. The manner in which it was done perhaps is suspect. The intent is in doubt. Now, which minister is going to take on this fight? Because the one who was fighting has now been sacked.
I think an individual minister is
not
the
one. Sanket was asking Mahesh Verma.
Mr. Verma, is this a positive impact?
Sanket, few months.
What's the idea?
Just a month ago, if you recall, when the Kerala government was re-elected, except the chief minister, the entire cabinet was changed. We discussed the same thing. So the whole idea that time you were projecting was that a new cabinet and a new look and feel will give new energy to the overall administration. Why don't we apply the same practice here? So you'll have to take it in another way.
Following the left.
Yeah, one second. I'll tell you.
They won an election.
What she said. Supriya ji, what she said,
this is
from
midterm.
a mindset. In Congress, every leader feels that it is his birthright to become a chief minister or a chief minister or a leader. But in the BJP or a party like BJP, every individual needs to work, and wherever the party asks him to work, they will have to move to that side. Whether if you on another
Nambiar,
way, really look to.
No, one second. Mr. Nambiar, reshuffles have happened in the past as well. All governments have sacked ministers, rotated them. In fact, the BJP holds out for much longer, especially this BJP, than some would say than others. And only like
the Indian economy.
Happy or not, whatever they've announced.
So, Supriya ji, one of the former general secretary and a UPA 1 and 2 minister has joined today in the cabinet of Modi. Be worried about the Congress rather than criticizing and looking at it.
No, one second. Let me just tell you.
Okay, there's a nice picture actually. Just one second. Supriya, hold on.
One moment.
Go ahead,
Mr. Nambiar, do you feel that your time is limited or there has to be a time frame? When आप कब तक ये repair करते रहोगे? You have to decide, no, in 6 months is when I want things fixed with this team.
So I think your question has got the answer. If a rending machine requires an interim service in between, I think it is to push it further up, not to degrade. So I would say the exercise what happened today is going to improve the overall governance and the performance of the government.
Right.
Because a large number of ministries, in fact, if you really look at it, technically there are 2-3 ministries have added, skill development ministry, now the cooperation ministry. So large number of new faces coming in, the responsibility will be divided and the people will be able to
also
perform
Mr.
better.
Nambiar, what happened to minimum government? I very
This is
clearly
precisely the question.
I very clearly remember Modi 1.0, minimum government, maximum governance. Now you have 77
Governance
ministers. This is a jumbo
Zero
cabinet.
governance.
Jumbo.
This is a question which I was answering earlier in another channel. So I will explain to this. There is a difference between what Modi ji said from the point of view of minimum government and maximum governance. That is not just from the point of view of number of ministers. You will have to understand that
कोई बदल दिया goalpost बदल
PKD
दो
Nambiar, what is
goalpost ही बदल दो that's the best goalpost बदल दो you can't
What-
change the
what-
goalpost change the damn
1.3
goalpost
million people.
What was he referring
One
to?
by one.
Reducing
I want to understand
office
this logic,
size
one
of
by one.
office space.
goalpost ही बदल दो
I
No,
think
no.
you are not understanding.
No,
the
PKD
precise
Nambiar,
question.
one second.
What-
That
what
is not-
minister-
what is he talking about
I think Vasu, you have already cleared the answer to your.
No. I am telling you, PKD Nambiar, actually Modi 1.0, only 46 ministers. Modi 2.0 reshuffle, as Sanket said, you almost hit 80, almost double. At that time, what we were told is that the ministries
Change the
would be
goalpost.
reduced. You would be collapsing ministries to streamline. Am I right, Sanket? The
Yeah,
idea was that you'll actually have
absolutely.
less ministries.
I have a counter question. To,
Now, hold on,
Vasu.
I'm not done. Now you've actually added ministries. In the past 24 hours, we now have a Ministry of Cooperation as well, which we're all trying to figure out what that is. But I'm saying,
I will
idea
explain
of
you that.
minimum government is out of the window. This is now old-fashioned big government.
Jumbo
One of-
cabinet.
Jumbo.
So the word jumbo cabinet has got different dimensions today. You will have to understand, as I said, there are multiple ministries have been or departments have been added. They require their own captains to run the show, like a cooperative ministry. Cooperative sector is one of the largest sectors which has transformed the India and the rural population across. So it is a great move by the government that to have a separate ministry. In many states, like Maharashtra, Kerala, some of these states do have a cooperative minister. So I think it's a great move. Skill development sector, if you really look at it, the vocational training system in India has been improved over the last 7 years in the greatest extent, which has never
how
ever
many
happened
people
in
have
the
been
history of
hired from
India.
there do you know 12%?
Only because we have got a skill development ministry. Now,
Okay,
coming to the-
one moment.
the
Since
large
you're
number
speaking
of
speaking
ministers,
of jumbo,
Sanket,
yeah, one moment.
Sanket,
No, but hold on,
Mr.
Mr.
Nambiar, one
Nambiar.
moment. Yeah,
Skill
you've spoken.
development. Anyway, sorry, Sanket, go ahead.
Yeah,
Sanket, yes.
speaking of jumbo, Mr. Sudhin Bhadoria, that's your party symbol. I just want to come to you and I want to ask you, Mr. Bhadoria.
what is the size of
What-
our economy then and now?
Okay.
No,
One
no.
You have
second.
shrunk it. Honey, you shrunk the economy.
One
Honey,
moment.
you shrunk the economy. You
Question
shrunk
was
the
for Mr.
economy,
Bhadoria.
sir.